go. Y'all better get your money in. So proud of these guys. Look at them. Well, I wanted Rojos. Got Rojos. Rojo newshades. Whoop whoop. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm listening. Get that bag ready and let's talk. I'm always here. Hope you guys are having a good day. I've been at the doctor's twice today to get, the chiropractors, to get my neck untweaked. First and second vertebrae stuck. Still not there. I'll be going back tomorrow. But in the meantime, I got to do something. So enjoy my babies. I know I do. Toodles.